Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we have completed with 19 blocks, isn't it, children? So, let's start with our new block, which is block 20. And the name of our block is adding two digits with regrouping. Okay, so the previous block was adding two digits without regrouping. That's why we did not mention anything. But in this block, we are doing regrouping. What do you mean by regrouping? That all we will learn here. Okay, so in this, our first topic is adding by using expanding. That means you will expand the numbers and you will add them. Okay, in the previous block also we have done expanding and adding, isn't it, children? In second topic, yes, in the same way here also we will expand the numbers and we will add. So while we are adding, we will be regrouping. That's why this is the name of our block is adding two digits with regrouping. Okay, let's see the first one. So add the following by expanding. Okay, next 19 plus 38. Okay, 19 plus 38 38. So we need to add these two numbers by expanding, isn't it? So let's expand. First we need to expand. So 19 becomes 10 plus 9, isn't it? And 38 becomes 30 plus 8. Now we have expanded. Now we need to do the addition. So as we are doing the addition, you will place the plus symbol. Yes, and we need to start adding. Now what I tell you, when we are adding, we should start from the ones place, isn't it? So this is your ones, isn't it? These are tens. 10 and 30. 10. These are 9 and 8. This is ones. So you will start with ones. That is, in ones place you have 9 plus 8, isn't it? 9 plus 8. So 9 plus 8. 9 in your mind, 8 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, so you got 17. So here we are expanding, no, children. So here in ones place, when you add here in the answer also, you need to write only one digit, only ones place, isn't it? But you got the answer as 17, two digits. Now we should regroup now. Okay, so 17. If you expand, children, so here we are doing expansion, isn't it? Expanding and adding. So this 10, 17 also should be expanded. How we can expand? 10 plus 7. Okay, so 10 plus 7. So here, if you see, children, 10 plus 7, so this is your ones, isn't it? And this is your tens. So what we are doing here is, this tens we cannot write here in ones place, isn't it? Only ones we need to write. So this tens place we need to carry to the tens. Tens should be written in the tens only, no? So this we will carry here. Okay, so how you will write that 7? You will write in ones place, and the 10 you need to carry. You need to replace in the tens place itself. In ones place we can't write tens, isn't it? So we are writing in the tens place. That is regrouping from ones. If you have tens in your ones, then that tens should be written in tens. Regrouping. Okay, so now 17 we have written. How we have written? In 17 you have 10 and 7. So 10 we have written in tens place as carry, and 7 you have written as answer. Okay, children, now we have done with ones. So you will place the plus symbol. Now you need to add 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30. 20, 30, 40, 50. Isn't it? So in tens place you will get 50. So you will write 50. Now what do you have? 50 plus 7. 50 plus 7 will be equal to 57. Okay, so when we add the numbers 19 and 38, you get the answer as 57. So finally what you will write? Therefore 19 plus 38 is equal to 57. Okay, so in this way you need to do the addition by expanding in regrouping. Okay, children, so let's see the next one. 32 plus 18. So 32 plus 18, as we have to expand and add, so first we will expand. So 32 becomes 30 plus 2 and 18 becomes 10 plus 8. Okay, now we have done with the first step, that is expanding. Now we need to do the addition. Okay, now always we have to start from the ones place where you have 2 plus 8. So 2 in your mind, 8 on your fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isn't it? 10 means again 2 digits. But when you add and write in ones place, you have to write only 1 digit. Isn't it, children? So in tens, if you expand, it becomes 10 plus 0. Isn't it? When you expand 10, it becomes 10 plus 0. So 0 is the ones place where you will write in the answer, and this 10 you need to carry to the tens place because it is tens, isn't it? Regrouping. So that becomes 0 and 10. Now in tens place, what do you have? Plus tens place, what do you have? 10 plus 30. So 10, 20, 30, 40. 10 plus 30 will become 40. 40 plus 10. 40 plus 10 becomes 50. So you will write 50. Now 50 plus 0 you have here, isn't it? So here you have 50 plus 0. 50 plus 0 will give us 50, isn't it? So you'll write equal to 50. That means when we add the numbers 32 and 18, you get the answer as 50. So finally what you will write? Therefore 32 plus 18 is equal to 50. Okay, so in this way you need to do the expanding numbers and adding them. And then when you are adding, sometimes you might not get regrouping, sometimes you get regrouping. Okay, so in the previous block we did not get any regrouping, isn't it? So in this block we are learning that also. Okay, so there are few more sums like this in your daily schedule, children. Copy it down in your classwork book. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 21, S1, adding by expanding. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.